right?
Yeah.
Akashic record by Robert uh, Herzog.
Herzog.
Hmm. First gate. We are all seekers of truth. Yeah. We want to know who we are, where we have been, and where we are going. We want to know who has traveled with us in the past and who will travel with us in the future. This implies a concept of time which is only measured in our third dimension here on earth. Time on the higher dimensions does not exist as we
Yeah.
discussion के लिए पूछे. We are you are reading these words now because you have learned many of the world's religious and philosophies, taking from each of them what you felt was truth, because we are seekers of truth.
Yes.
And yet, your search continues. There is always an empty space that you tried to fill, yet that space remained, that space, क्या हो गया?
That space remained empty and incomplete.
Incomplete. Okay. Excellent. There are always, right, we have all asked our priests, rabbis, ministers, holy men and women to enlighten us on the nature of the soul, asking for truth. Perhaps the most prevalent question in our heart and mind was, what happens to the soul when we die? Answers received did not satisfy our thirst. Eventually, we realized that as these well intentioned men and women completed their spiritual and seminary studies, they believed their education was complete. Many ceased to grow and learn. We then began to believe that possibly our knowledge, born of intense searching about the nature of the soul, was more complete than their current understanding. जो किताब से पढ़ रहे हैं वो नहीं, जो हम जो एक्सप्लोर करते हैं हमारा.
Correct. Search है.
Questions took us traveling throughout many lives. We had the feeling of being very different from our parents, friends, and colleagues. Our window on the world was wide, viewing the planet through the eye of our soul, instead of seeing everything in a linear mode. Our sadness and disappointments became immeasurable. As our inner sight opened, we began to recognize many people in our life as old friends or family members from the past. And yet, we have only just met them now in this life. I mean, we are able to recognize that they seem to have a relationship with us that is coming
Yes.
from the past. There are always a light, there was always a light inside us that condoned these meetings, knowing that we have journeyed in prior centuries with these souls. Oh, how we wanted to embrace them, saying, I'm so glad you are in my life once again, living at the same time. We can help and love each other through the difficulties of life now. Yet, we hesitated to speak this truth as we knew it may not be their truth. मतलब उनका consciousness levels क्या है पता नहीं. Because of this, we learn to keep the silence, and in our self-discipline, we learn to observe and wait for their greater illumination. However, our loneliness increased. Okay. Our search took us to the great libraries of the world. We found that every author had an opinion. Still, we searched, realizing we too had opinions about the nature of the soul and its journey through time. As the fullness of life experiences came upon us, the realization of the truth concerning the soul's embodiments, life after life, was strong. Deeper into the mysteries of life, we explored, seeking out wise men and women until we came to the understanding that there was a greater library. This is the library of Akasha, wherein are kept the records of all our past lives as well as information concerning our planet. The word Akasha. Akasha is extremely ancient, predating all Earth's languages, past and present. While words that are similar sounding may be found in other languages, Akasha is literally a language unto itself. The word is pronounced Akasha. When I asked Abu Kashgar, the keeper of all the Akashic libraries of this solar system, where this word originated, his answer was fascinating.
So this guy Abu Kashgar is your Metatron, I think, right? That's what he's saying.
Metatron for
Kabbalistic religion.
Kabbalistic,
Yes.
and the same Metatron for our Hindu, this one is Chitragupta.
Chitragupta.
Okay. Right. I was directed to Genesis 1:23. I mean 1:23 is very recent.
Okay.
Whereas our this one, the Chitragupta one, is probably a few billion years.
Billions of years, yes. So this when we talk about these things, na, Genesis and the Old Testament and New Testament, they are like few thousand years old, 2,500 years or 3,000, not more than that, I think.
5,000 years.
5,000 years, yes.
My understanding of these words made me acutely aware that every atomic particle has movement. Therefore, as everything that GD created is made up of atomic particles, movement is a specific definition of all life as well as time stream. ये वाला एग्जाम्पल अगर ठीक से समझना है तो वो रेवलेशन में वो पैरा पढ़ लेना. ठीक है. As God moved upon the face of the waters, all feminine life was born. Water is given a feminine characteristic.
Yes.
Has always been associated with feminine polarity. Indeed, many ancient cultures believe that our primal waters and element of earth was created along with fire, air, thus producing life. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Call है क्या?
नहीं वो बंद कर दिया वो. Disconnected it.
Within this dynamic force of movement, GD produced sound. मतलब वाटर के मूवमेंट, वाटर फायर एयर के मूवमेंट से साउंड आया. Prior to light being created, God produced the creative energy of sound. God said, "Let there be light."
Yeah.
Okay. With the feminine movement of water, God manifested the masculine movement of sound. Feminine and masculine produces the next point in the divine triangle and the birth of universes occurred. ये यहाँ पे birth of universes बोल रहा है, वहां पे वो उसको he is saying that the earth was conceived is yet.
Yes. So I think that's what is, है ना, in the beginning there was just sound, right? जैसे हम हमारे सनातन में भी बोलते हैं कि शुरू में सिर्फ ओमकार था, right? And then there was light, right? तो उसके बाद वो सब सृष्टि की रचना हुई. I think it is coming to the same thing.
Same. Okay. As the New Testament scholars had the Old Testament of the Hebrews as their benchmark for truth, the Apostle John begins his narrative. John 1, 1, 2. As a mirror of Genesis was the beginning with God. From this word, मतलब everything is word. Hypnosis में
Yes.
मैडम भी यही कह रही थी कल.
Yes.
Your words that you use
Yes.
have a significant influence on you.
Right.
वो तोत का किताब भी वही कह रहा था.
Right.
So in the beginning was the word, and word was with the God, and word was God. The same was in the beginning with Anand. From this word came the Genesis language from which all languages were birthed, which is very similar to the Hebrew language. This Genesis language is called Akasha. Hebrew sprang from Akasha. Every human soul on earth or another planet in this or any other solar system or universe has an Akashic record. While the lifetime is written in the language of the civilization, and time period, the soul experienced, the frequency and the sound of all languages have been birthed through and by language of primal sound. This concept is important to remember. मतलब primal sound comes directly through the limitless light of God. The Hindu call this sound Om. The language from which Om originates is Akasha.
Yeah.
This book is the first of its kind in the complete subject of Akashic records. It seeks to give an understanding of the great library of Akasha, the Akashic records, the keeper of the records, and the true reader of the same. It is not a manual of how to read the records. This book is a joint undertaking between one who on earth has read these sacred scrolls for over 32 years and higher plane, greater soul, and the higher plane, the greater soul, who is called Abu Kashgar, the keeper of records. He is a masterful soul in tremendous service to humanity on this and other planets. His devotion is very clear in assisting us to understand ourselves. Okay?
Yeah.
The companion in this book volume is important as an adjunct to this work. अच्छा, ये ठीक है, ये छोड़ो.
He's saying, इसमें एक और interesting part ये है कि he's saying that he will be releasing another book by the name of Journey of Your Soul.
He has said that, but this book is that book. वो अलग से कुछ नहीं, मैंने ढूंढ के देखा है.
If मैंने भी ढूंढा था, you see, if you this book will be titled The Journey of Your Soul, will be published soon by Lux Light Associates. Information in the second book will be the concert with the one you hold in your hands, which means वो एक separate book है.
He is saying, but it's not available anywhere.
I know, मैंने भी ढूंढा था उसको, तो I was looking for that. मुझे लगा कि शायद रिलीज नहीं हुआ है.
Understanding the Akashic record is in direct proportion and comprehension of the universal laws of this book will be titled The Journey of Your Soul. ठीक है, ये देखते हैं. एक बार ढूंढ लें, एक और बार.
या हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. वो लक्स लाइट एसोसिएट्स है, आई थिंक, बाय लक्स. हाँ, रॉबर्ट हर्जॉग.
हर्जॉग ना, हेर्जॉग ना.
इट इज HERZOG.
हाँ.
ये है क्या?
बट इतना छोटा किताब.
59. हाँ, माइट बी कुछ ये वो होगा ना, सैम्पल्ड वर्जन होगा. स्क्रिप्ट है ना, इसमें सैंपल ही दिखाता है. फ्यू पेजेस ओनली, नॉट.
क्या है ना, स्क्रिप्ट पूरा की बुक भी देता है अगर है तो.
अच्छा,
रिटन
ओके
एंड इलस्ट्रेटेड बाय विक्टोरिया जोन्स बोल रहे हैं.
ओके, मे बी देन. नहीं, ये अलग है, ये वाला अलग नहीं
क्या
है. दिस
अलग
इज
है?
नॉट द, ये अलग है.
इटर्नल फ्रेंड किसने लिखा है? ये अलग है.
उसमें एक वो डाली है साथ में, लक्स लाइट एसोसिएट्स.
नहीं, ये देखते हैं ना एक बार.
हाँ, ये भी है ही क्या है.
विजिट द साइट.
इसका अपना कुछ वो भी साइट भी होगा ना इसका.
मैं वही देख रहा हूँ. अमेजोन में है तो खरीद लेंगे.
हम्म.
रॉबर्ट हेर्जॉग बुक्स. ठीक है.
इसकी में तो एक ही है. दिस इज नॉट द वन, आई थिंक दिस इज अ डिफरेंट ऑथर प्रॉब्ली.
रॉबर्टा एस है यार.
ये इज द सेम गाय और डिफरेंट गाय?
योर सोल्स जर्नी थ्रू टाइम 753. पीडीएफ में नहीं है लगता है.
हम्म. इसका एक वेबसाइट है करके, thesoulInstitute.co. मैं गूगल पे सर्च मार रहा हूँ साथ
वन
में.
पीडीएफ इंक्लूडेड 753 ऑलरेडी इन योर कार्ट. ये कब तक डिलीवर होगा वो पता नहीं चल रहा है ना.
बट इसका नाम लिखा है द सोल्स जर्नी थ्रू टाइम.
हाँ, वही तो है ना वो भी.
हम्म.
इट इज द सेम ना.
लेट मी सी, अगर इसका मुझे कहीं से मिलता है तो
थ्रू टाइम बाय रॉबर्ट।
योर सोल, अगर ये होगा ना तो लेट लेट मी सी, गिव मी अ मिनट, लेट मी सी कहीं मिलता है मुझे क्या, सोल्स जर्नी थ्रू टाइम।
नहीं, ये अमेजोन इनमें दिखा रहा है ना।
नहीं नहीं, गिव मी अ मिनट, मैं वो देख रहा हूँ कि अगर मुझे इसका वो मिल जाएगा ना सॉफ्ट कॉपी, व्हाई डू वी नीड टू पे समथिंग, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू।
ठीक है।
गिव मी अ
किंडल
मिनट।
का 2914 है।
हाँ, किसका?
इसका किंडल
हाँ,
एडिशन इज 2914।
ओके, रोबर्टा बजॉग। मिल गया मुझे इसका पीडीएफ, काशिक रिकॉर्ड्स। या, लेट मी गेट इट।
सोल इंस्टीट्यूट करके कुछ है।
यस, लेकिन आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट द राइट वन, ऑल्दो आई एम गेटिंग इट, क्योंकि ये जो बुक है, इसने जो कमेंट जो आपने भी हम पढ़ रहे हैं, ये 2012 का है, राइट, और जो ये वाला बुक है 2003 का है। देयर इज अ
हो
डिफरेंस।
सकता है, वो भी हो सकता है ना।
हाँ, गिव मी मिनट, आई एम जस्ट कन्वर्टिंग इट। आ गया शायद। हाँ, अरे यही लग रहा है मुझे, ओहो दिस इज द वन। वेट,
तो
लेट मी,
व्हाट्सएप में डाल दे।
डाला हूँ, गिव मी मिनट, आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग इट टू यू। लग तो यही रहा मुझे, लेट्स सी इफ इट इज द सेम वन।
और क्लास का नोट्स भी मैंने भेजा है, हाँ?
कौन सा?
मैंने जो नोट्स बनाया था।
कल वाले क्लास का?
हाँ।
ओके, कल वाला सेशन मैंने भी अटेंड नहीं किया, आई गो थ्रू इट।
मैंने ये नोट्स भी भेजा है।
ओके।
वॉट एवर स्लाइड शी यूज्ड एज शी वाज टॉकिंग,
हम्म।
आई जस्ट टुक इट, सो आई हैव गॉट अ फ्लो।
ओके ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट।
ओके,
कल
ये
उसने क्या, कल तो उसने आई थिंक इंट्रोडक्टरी सेशन दिया था, करेक्ट?
it was more introductory.
यस।
He said what all you can do with hypnosis.
ओके, मैंने एक्चुअली आई डिड इट फ्रॉम साइकेट्रिस्ट डॉक्टर नितिन शुक्ला, वो यहाँ पे
Seems to be
विमहेंस
a
में।
psychiatrist only.
हाँ हाँ, मैं वैसे ही बता रहा हूँ
Seems
कि
to
आई
be a
डिड इट।
practicing
हाँ
psychiatrist, and she was saying
हाँ,
uh, the wonders that her team has achieved
यस।
is par excellence.
हम्म
They have created about 150 people. Now they want to create 1,000 people of who
हम्म,
heal.
यस,
They seem to be charity oriented.
मे बी। हम्म, तो आई जस्ट सेंड दैट बुक टू यू, ये आप भेज देना, ये वाला अगर बनाया तो आप ये तो।
I have put it as a, you have to open it in a browser.
ओके ओके, ये आपने चेक में व्हाट्सएप पे भेजा क्या अभी?
हाँ,
ओके, ठीक है।
व्हाट्सएप में लिंक ही भेजा, या डॉक्यूमेंट भेजा, अपना ग्रुप है ना उसमें।
अच्छा, उसमें डाला है, ओके,
हाँ,
ठीक है।
क्योंकि तीनों को जाना जरूरी है ना।
राइट राइट राइट, ठीक है।
हाँ, यही है।
यस।
314
अब
पेजेस।
देखो, इसमें लक्स लाइस वही है, ठीक है ना,
हाँ,
और
यही
साथ
है,
में वो।
का ही है।
हाँ, तो दिस इज ग्रेट, सो नाउ वी हैव बोथ द बुक्स एट हैंड, ठीक है। इसमें कितना पेज है इसमें? 314, ओके।
सामान है, ये कहाँ से आ गया?
व्हाट?
नहीं नहीं, someone else is using similar product. ये
मे
देख,
बी।
उन लोग का हाईलाइट किया हुआ है यार, ऑल दी।
हम्म हम्म।
राइट, somebody has bookmarked these pages.
नहीं, ये इनका क्या रहता है, जब आप ऐसी बुक्स डाउनलोड करते हो जेड लिब से, तो दे यूजुअली पुट देयर ऑन सिग्नेचर्स इन द पीडीएफ्स।
इसको डिलीट कर
डिलीट
देते।
कर सकते हो,
It's
या।
not what we want.
हम्म
Printed in the say table of contents. First gate, olive. अच्छा, सिमिलर स्ट्रक्चर है, दोनों का सेम है क्या कंटेंट?
डोंट नो, अभी तो डाउनलोड किया मैंने, आई डोंट नो, बट लेट्स सी।
ये 170 है, वो 314 है, फर्क है।
नहीं, वो वी नीड टू सी द कंटेंट ना, कई बार वो फॉन्ट सेटिंग एंड उसमें फर्क रहता है। लेट्स रीड इट ऑन द फर्स्ट गेट, बिकॉज वो पढ़ लिया तो आइडिया लग जाएगा।
हाँ,
ये थोड़ा अलग लग रहा है मुझे वैसे। I think it is more detailed maybe.
सकता है
Yeah.
ये पेज में अभी भी यही चल रहा है.
Hmm.
हमें वो गेट 1 वाला वर्ड यूज नहीं किया है. नोट्स ठीक है. इन द बुक ऑफ
Uh,
फॉरवर्ड ठीक है.
you can go to the page number 68 directly. I think it is the same thing.
वही लग रहा है.
ये सेम बुक ही है. Yes.
नहीं, यहाँ
ये
द बुक पेज में है 20.
नहीं नहीं, if you go to page number
वर्ड
68 वहाँ
आकाश.
ये सेम है.
हाँ. यही पढ़ रहे थे हम लोग वहां पर.
यही यही है. तो लेट मी सर्च. रॉबर्ट हर्ट्जॉग का कोई और बुक है क्या इसके पास? हैंग ऑन. रॉबर्ट हर्ट्जॉग. नहीं, इसका रॉबर्ट हर्ट्जॉग का एक ही बुक है, आकाशिक
सेम है
रिकॉर्ड.
यार, योर जर्नी ऑफ योर सोल यही है.
यही बुक है. तो एनीवेज वी हैव गॉट अ बेटर फॉर्मेट. तो आई थिंक
इतना जल्दी सेकंड गेट में पहुंच गया. हाँ, सेम है यार.
सेम बुक है, सेम बुक है.
राइट.
तो मे बी दे वुड हैव चेंज सम cosmetics and then released it probably.
Scroll 1, the library of Akasha. And the knowledge is now passed to generations of initiates and seekers of the wisdom of light who presently understand the missing energy in their soul's journey. Herein is the knowledge, the understanding, and light. Thank you, God. मतलब he is talking about there existing both books as well as scrolls.
Yes.
Okay. Books and scrolls. The Akashic records are written on scrolls or books in the language of the life you lived. Okay. These lives may have been on Earth, on another planet, in the solar or adjacent systems, or even countless light years from Earth. यहाँ पर यह आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड के बारे में ज्यादा सोचो तो तमिलनाडु में एक टेम्पल, ठीक है, where sage Agastya has written all the तालपत्रास, मतलब अपना लीफ पे.
यस यस यस.
उसको नाड़ी जोशियम बोलते हैं
वो भृगु नाड़ी, वो भृगु नाड़ी बोलते हैं ना वो. आई थिंक मेनी पीपल हैव गॉन थ्रू दैट एज वेल.
gone through that.
यस.
They read out your parents,
यस.
what type of a house you were born in,
राइट.
Kaunsa street, Kaunsa place, it has all the details.
एवरीथिंग करेक्ट.
And उसमें भी आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड की तरह when they do a reading they will check with you, is
Yes.
that been your experience? Some people
Yeah, I think they check with you वो few things कि this is your father name, this is your grandfather name, this is your because I think they just take a thumb impression of a person in order to find a leaf.
no
and
no
maybe
they don't. मेरे केस में they didn't take a thumb impression, they took our date of birth and name.
Okay. वो फिर आपका अगस्त्य वाला है जो हम लोग यहाँ बात करते हैं ना, जो हमारे नॉर्थ में चलता है, वो है भृगुनाड़ी. उसमें what they do is they take a thumb impression and then they also take your name and then they send it to all their centers to find out your ताड़पत्र.
किसके
ठीक है
पास
ना,
है वो
किसके पास
period
है,
का.
वो 1 महीने में फिर ढूंढ के बताते हैं कि है या नहीं है. यस, अगर है तो मंगा लेते हैं.
यहाँ पे we had gone to the temple in South India.
राइट. नहीं, आई हर्ड अबाउट दैट. अगस्त, आई थिंक वो हो सकता है देयर इज अ डिफरेंट वन, राइट?
Maybe.
या
As some people have scrolls, others have books onto which their lifetimes are written. A few have both scrolls and books.
या
It may seem logical to you that we would need a sufficient quantity of scrolls or books to record our all thoughts, words, and deeds. This is not necessarily correct. The number of lifetimes and the length of each life determines the size of the scroll or the book. Okay? Souls who have incarnated upon earth very early in the history of this planet naturally have more written accounts in their lifetimes. Souls that have chosen to incarnate less frequently have fewer lifetimes to record. You may wonder, why does one soul have a book and the another a scroll? Generally, I have found a mirroring effect in the operation that answers this question. If your first incarnation on the earth was a very long time ago, you may have a scroll. Numerous ancient civilizations have used scrolls, whether made from animal skins or vegetation. For example, if the person being read is a very old soul on earth, they would have incarnated into a number of civilizations where scrolls were used to pen information. Usually, those lifetimes are recorded on a scroll in the library of Akasha. The same person can additionally have one or more books into which I can research and find information. The lifetimes within these books would generally mirror more lifetimes within the realms of recorded history. This information is given as a generality, as there are always exceptions. Matlab, a book and this one. As an example, I have read for people who are very ancient souls. They first incarnated here tens of thousands of years ago. One might suppose that their records are almost exclusively on scrolls. Actually, several had books of life. There were no scrolls in the library for these people, only books. मतलब बाद में जो आए उन लोग के लिए
right.
books. Okay.
Yeah.
The important truth is what is written on the page, not the actual vehicle for the information.
Yeah.
The second method that determines whether we have a book or a scroll is made by the keeper of the records, Abu Kashgar. He has full understanding of the soul's journey throughout all incarnations and therefore comprehends the amount of space necessary for all lives to be recorded. As a general observation, I have noticed that more information can be recorded in scrolls than in books. Scrolls मतलब तो ऐड करते जा सकता है.
It is very, if you read this
Convenient.
line, it simply says that Abu Kashgar, he knows that what you are going to do in all your lifetimes, how many lifetimes you will be having, right?
Correct.
Which means, which somewhere it is coming down to a predetermined kind of destiny, right? That कितने lifetime होंगे, उसमें क्या क्या होगा, वो सब
He
पहले ही लिखा
has
हुआ
all the information because he is the keeper of the records.
है. That's what. But what I'm trying to come down to the different point is, it is somewhere pointing to a predetermined destiny for a person.
No, not necessary, no. Because Akashic records are currently he is referring to full understanding of the soul's journey throughout all the incarnations and therefore comprehends the amount of मतलब वो he is only talking with the perspective of how much, whether a book or a scroll to be used
Hmm.
as a record keeper,
Hmm.
because he knows how many incarnations you will take.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. That if he knows that how many incarnations a person will take,
हाँ,
and what all is going to happen, कि कितना extensive होगा उसका journey,
हाँ,
तो it means that somewhere some few things are already predestined for you, right?
yes, yes.
That's what.
Then I see what is predestined. If you take Robert Scott's ka kitab, he
Hmm.
says you have those 35, 36 lessons.
Right.
So completing that, how many lives you will take is up to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Many lifetimes. Maybe one lesson is continued to in many lifetimes or hundreds. Yes.
Exactly. Because we
Yes.
also use free will and then deviate. Na?
Hmm.
So here what it means is he has an approximate idea of how many lives you may take.
Hmm.
It is not what is the predestined? You are joining back where you started.
Hmm.
That is predestined.
Hmm.
But how and what all you are going to pick up, what all changes you may have to encounter in that pathway and increase the collective consciousness is a different story altogether.
Correct.
Okay. As you will note, there is a section in this book that contains illustrations. These are intended to assist you to visualize the Akashic library and its contents. You will find several interesting drawings of the scrolls and books. Additionally, please view the illustration of the Akashic record over the planet Venus. मतलब हर planet का एक अलग है. हर planet का Akashic record अलग है.
Is it? Okay.
There are no books or scrolls in this particular library. The vehicles for recording the soul's journey on Venus are discs. Okay. In other Akashic libraries over the other planets in this and other solar systems, the method for recording of the soul journey vary. Again, I would like to state it is the content of the information written that is important. The subject is fascinating and proper understanding of every aspect of the library is important. Okay. At the end of this volume, you can read about the artist who drew these illustrations and how they were drawn, which is a most interesting commentary.
Hmm.
Okay. So, other Akashic libraries. Every planet in this and other solar systems and galaxies has its own library of Akasha, existing on a higher frequency or plane above the planet. Each library is distinctive in its architecture and characteristics while still functioning as a vast, complete, orderly storehouse of information. The library contains information on the planet itself as well as every inhabitant. The manner in which the information is stored varies with each library. As an example of this is found in the Akashic Library for planet Venus. Please see the Venusian Library illustrative and read the explanation of the illustration. ये वीनस का क्या देता है?
एक बार देख लेते हैं.
यहाँ पे कुछ इलस्ट्रेशन है क्या? देख रहा हूँ.
I think last में होगा, last में. You have to go to the last end of the pages. अच्छा, you have started going through the new book, the one which I sent you.
नहीं, इसमें भी कुछ है क्या? देख.
इलस्ट्रेशंस, हाँ इसी के आसपास कुछ होगा लास्ट में।
यहाँ क्या लिखा है, बट हाँ, इलस्ट्रेशन 1, दोनों सेम है यार, दोनों किताबें।
या नहीं, आई नो, वो तो देख लिया मैंने कि दोनों सेम ही हैं।
ओके, इलस्ट्रेशन 2, दिस इज ए स्क्रॉल।
हम्म।
ओके,
या
इलस्ट्रेशन 3 किधर है, ये है अर्थ्स बुक ऑफ लाइफ, ए रूम विद इन ए रूम, इसमें अनेक रूम है बोल रहे हैं।
हम्म।
आकाशिक लाइब्रेरी, ये तो अभी देखा है। नेक्स्ट, इलस्ट्रेशन 4, ये डिस्क,
ओके। ओके।
दैट मीन्स ये वीनस का होगा।
राइट।
ठीक है, चल आगे बढ़ते हैं। Earth's Akashic Library. The library of Akasha for Earth is elegant and holds voluminous mass of information. It is called Devachan. देवलोक जो बोलते हैं वो है।
यस यस, वही है।
As one approaches the library, one is awed by its beauty and size. In appearance, the architecture of the building is oval and quite compelling in its violet crystalline glow. There is an arched portal without a door. एक second. Making entrance easily accomplished. This portal has a tonal frequency that would immediately deny entry to anyone whose energy is not on the highest vibration of integrity and love.
अच्छा, that may be the reason that many people who
They are not able to
they
see.
are not able to access it, right? They are
Correct.
not able to see.
Correct.
बहुत लोग बोलते हैं हमें दिखाई कुछ नहीं है, नो विजन्स नथिंग, क्योंकि मे बी देयर फ्रीक्वेंसी इज नॉट
Not
aligned or sync.
matching. Correct.
Yes, not right. Right now probably the time is not there,
Correct.
not
If
conducive
you are a
for them.
visitor to the library, you
हाँ.
definitely need a spiritual teacher as a guide to assure your entrance. A guardian will approach and ask you and your guide why and on what authority you seek entrance into the library. While you may not be trained to read your own record, your guide will certainly be able to assist and help you translate what is written. ठीक है,
Yeah.
यहाँ पर एक काम करते हैं यार, एक और किताब निकालते हैं।
Mm-hmm.
See, ये
Linda Howe.
she is a master.
Yes, yes. She is the one, I think she started.
Correct.
Yes. You have a desktop or a laptop at home?
I have a laptop, but I have two screens.
No, this is so. How many hard disks you have created inside it? Or these are like logical partitions that you
1
have done?
TB है ना, I have got
अच्छा,
1.5 TB, दो ड्राइव है,
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके,
दो
इन द
SSD
सेम।
लगा के।
अच्छा, सेम लैपटॉप में दो लगा दिया आपने? ओके
हाँ, तो no, I've got 2 TB.
ओके।
ये एक्चुअली इसको एक मिनट कट ये डी में ही होना चाहिए, बिकॉज मेरे पास इसका व्हाट, हाउ कैन इट बी, क्या बात कर रहे हैं। लिंडा हो। तेरे को रिसेंटली भेजा मैंने।
लिंडा होवे नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक सो, बट आई मे बी हैविंग मेनी बुक्स फ्रॉम लिंडा। मैंने आई हैव टू प्लग माय हार्ड
नहीं
डिस्क।
नहीं,
हाँ।
मेरे पास है।
हम्म।
आई हैव सेंट इट, आई रिमेम्बर। क्योंकि
लिंडा हो,
अभी रिसेंटली उसका ऑडियो बुक भी भेजा ना मैंने।
राइट।
एक सेकंड। ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है यार, मेरे मेरे पास है। हाउ इज इट सेइंग आई डोंट हैव? अच्छा, ये उधर लेके चला गया, इसीलिए प्रॉब्लम हो रही
हम्म।
है। रिसेंटली डाउनलोडेड, ये कहाँ चला गया है?
बुक नहीं है ये तो।
वन ड्राइव इतना हेडेक क्रिएट करता है ना।
हम्म। ये है ना लिंडा होवे
नहीं
होवे।
नहीं, ये है लिंडा होवे। ये है एफ कोलन आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स। आई नीड है दिस वन। हाउ टू रीड वाला किताब चाहिए।
लेट मी डाउनलोड इट, इट विल नॉट टेक मोर देन अ मिनट। How to read Akashic record? Assessing the archives of soul and journey, right?
हाँ,
This is the
वही
one you want.
वही
Okay,
वही।
let me get that. Okay,
वो मेरे पास भी होना चाहिए, इतने लोगों को भेजा है यार।
it's okay.
आज नेट पता नहीं ठीक से बिहेव नहीं कर रहा है। एक काम करता हूँ, इसको निकाल ही देता हूँ। सो लेट इट डू इट ऑन सिम, इट में कम आउट फास्टर।
It's there with you.
हम्म।
भेज दिया।
मैंने इतने लोगों को भेजा है, जब मेरे को जरूरत है वो नहीं पढ़ते। स्पार्क डेली मेडिटेशन में है। ठीक है, इसमें राइट।
हम्म।
ये मेरा खरीदा हुआ भी है।
Okay.
What are Akashic records? The Akashic records are a dimension of consciousness that contains a vibrational record of every soul and its journey. This vibrational body of consciousness exists everywhere in its entirety and is completely available at all times and in all places. As such, the records are an experiential body of knowledge that contains everything that every soul has ever thought, said, and done over the course of its existence, as well as its future possibilities. Let's break the above definition into smaller parts. Starting with the definition of dimension, the meaning of dimension of consciousness. A dimension of consciousness is a realm of the unseen world that we humans can identify and experience through its qualities, characteristics, or states. For example, the dream state is a dimension of consciousness containing different levels of sleep activity that humans can identify and experience. Other dimensions of consciousness can be identified as different regions of the mind, the conscious and subconscious, the zone of memory, areas of musical and mathematical abilities, and areas of the brain that govern our physical capabilities. Okay?
Yeah.
Right? That
Yes.
means what is she doing? She is actually taking our conscious and subconscious mind. Right?
Yes.
Conscious ko chhod de. That is one dimension as per her. Okay. Subconscious is another. Unconscious is another. Okay. Then, right?
Yeah.
Then iske andar specialized areas also. Right? Memory, musical ability, mathematical ability, all those also constitute your levels of consciousness. अगर तू आर्कएंजल माइकल वाला किताब याद है तेरे को?
माइकल और मेटाट्रॉन?
नहीं, माइकल का
नहीं, I
और
didn't read it.
एरियल का, वो जो किताबें भेजा था ना, 5D, waking up in 5D and
Okay. Right.
fifth dimension, right? तो
Okay.
वहां पर क्या कहता है, right? एक से, it's a very interesting paradigm. वो पढ़ते वक्त मैंने कुछ नोट्स बनाया है, ठीक है? ये बहुत सारे स्लाइड्स हैं मेरे.
Okay.
एक मिनट, कुछ तो मैंने निकाला था अग्नि ग्रुप किसी को पढ़ाने के लिए. ये देख ले, ईच ऑफ देम इज अ डायमेंशन अगेन.
Okay.
तो थर्ड डायमेंशन में यहां तक सब कुछ आ जाएगा, मेंटल बॉडी तक.
Right.
फोर्थ डायमेंशन में कॉजल आएगा.
Astral
Right.
planes.
इस तरह वो इसमें नहीं है लगता है. तो I put, actually I created a staircase.
Okay.
वो कुछ और पढ़ रहा था तो ध्यान में मेरे को ये एक्सपीरियंस लगा. इसमें बहुत सारे किताबों का नोट सब मैं एक जगह बना के रखता हूँ।
ओके। ये वाला है क्या स्टेयरकेस?
हाँ, ठीक है, तो मैं ऐसे नाम दे दिया, मैंने सिर्फ 12 को ले लिया कि लव बीइंग द हाईएस्ट।
हम्म।
तो उसमें कहता है ना 12th 11th एंड 10th आर
हम्म।
लाइक टॉप मैनेजमेंट ऑफ ए कंपनी।
राइट।
There you create the process of what experience you are going through.
हम्म।
ठीक है, your higher self also is sitting there.
यस।
Okay, then you have various other layers in this 12-dimensional universe. ठीक है, and you experience everything in the physical body.
हम्म।
ठीक है, so we need to imagine each of these layers as one dimension having
हम्म।
its own characteristics more than just the qualities that I have put.
करेक्ट।
तो इनका काम क्या है? To make the experience in line with what you have decided to undergo. Okay, they will only send you reminders. Whether you follow or not, again, is your problem.
हम्म।
तो इस तरह का वो पढ़ रहा था, तो मेरे को ये पिक्चर में आया, तो मैं ये डाल दी।
ओके।
ओके, सो लेट्स गो बैक। ठीक है, तो still other dimensions of consciousness are the different states of relaxation that are measured by the brain activity. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे तुरिया भी यहीं पे आ गया कॉन्शियसनेस का।
राइट।
What all these dimensions of consciousness have in common is that although they are unseen, we know that they exist. In the process of accessing or opening the Akashic records, we transition from a state of ordinary human consciousness to a state of divine universal consciousness in which we recognize our oneness with the divine at all levels. This state of consciousness allows us to perceive the impressions and vibrations of the records. In this way, the records have served humanity throughout its unfolding by being an extraordinary state, through which we can receive divine illumination at a manageable rate and integrate it with our human experience. Because of this integration, we can quite literally say that accessing the Akasha follows us, allows us glimpses of heaven on earth. Now on the meaning of Akasha. The introduction to the Aquarian Gospel of Jesus, the Christ, by Levi H. Dowling, has perhaps the best description of the word Akasha. Akasha is a Sanskrit word which means primary substance, that out of which all things are formed. It is the first stage of crystallization of spirit. The Akashic, or the primary substance, is of exquisite fineness and is so sensitive that slightest vibrations of an ether can place in the universe register an indelible impression upon it. बहुत ही soft. Okay, so we can talk about the Akasha, the primary substance. We are referring to energy in its first and earliest state before it has been directed by our individual thoughts and affected by our emotions in this lifetime. This energy is a quality of life in both the physical and spiritual sense. It is a quality of aliveness or vitality individualized uniquely as specific souls. Although Akasha is a Sanskrit word, the Akashic record are noted in many sacred texts following up several references. Biblemen, Tanaka, Tanakh,
Tanak.
right?
Tanak.
Yeah. You keep count of my wanderings, put my tears into your flask, into your record. Then I said, behold, I come. In the volume of the book, it is written of me. I delight to do your will, O my God. Yes, your law is within my heart. Yeah, amplified Psalm Kai. Then I said, behold, here I am coming to do your will, O God, to fulfill what is written of me in the volume of the book. You have scrutinized my every action. All were recorded in your book. My days listed and determined. ये भी साम का है. Same thing. There's so many variations.
अभी इसमें सी इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट क्या है, यू जस्ट रीड दैट लाइन, माय डेज लिस्टेड एंड डिटरमाइंड इवन बिफोर द फर्स्ट ऑफ देम अकर्ड.
Correct.
यू नो, वो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू, मतलब कि कहीं ना कहीं मे बी in some of the places it is written that it is predetermined.
No, it may be predetermined. The overall plan is predetermined. वही तो मैं भी कह रहा हूँ. See, the 35 lessons का डब्बा जो है, it's predetermined.
Yes, you have to go through those.
Okay, only, मतलब what is predetermined? ठीक है. What जो है predetermined है. ये what क्या है? मेरे अनुसार ये तो predetermined है, मैं भी मानता हूँ. ओके. ये 35 lessons तक it is predetermined, no questions, right? Which one, when, वो predetermined नहीं है, मैं वो कह रहा था.
How do you going to take those lessons, या how many lifetimes you are going to take?
That is not
Probably.
predetermined.
Or do you want to repeat or not? है ना, आप
हाँ.
कितनी बार में एग्जिट लेते हो, कहाँ लेते हो, मे बी.
Those are probably left to the individual.
Yes, that is more profound experiences that you will gain over the period of time.
Correct. Right. तो ये तो predetermined है.
But I think even the entry and exits are also predetermined, right?
No. No. Then you have no free will then, na?
नहीं. And what I have read or rather learned from many texts, what it says is that your time of birth and your time of final exit is predetermined. Inside that
So
entire,
it is predetermined by whom? By you.
by you.
You are determining given a lifetime.
Yes.
And you are creating 3 conditions of your exit. 1, my plan is wrong.
Yes.
2, I have deviated too much for me to complete. 3, I have completed.
Yes.
These are the 3 circumstances for your exit, and you will create multiple doors of exit.
Few exits will be there. Will be there. And then you can take a call. When do you want to exit? The soul can take a call, probably. Yes.
Exactly. Yes. That's what Patriji also mentioned. Na? उन्होंने भी वही करा. Till you give permission to your soul, you will not vacate your body.
साईं बाबा वाला अगर आपने वो पढ़ा होगा ना, जो साईं बाबा का स्टोरी है उसके अंदर भी यही है. इफ यू वुड नो दैट, एक बार उनको बहुत ज्यादा वो दमा और वो सब हो गया था, एंड देन ही लेड डाउन फॉर 3 days लाइफलेस.
That was to find out whether his time is over or not.
That was to find out. He said to जो उनके साथ वो था उस वक्त,
He
I'm
went to
forget.
seek Mahalsapati.
हाँ, महालसा पति को बोला था कि 3 दिन तक अगर मैं वापस आ गया तो ठीक, नहीं तो उसके बाद जला देना, ठीक है ना, 3 दिन तक
हाँ,
रखना मुझे, लेकिन
हाँ,
अगर 3 दिन तक आया तो ठीक, नहीं तो फिर समझ लेना कि मैं गया.
हाँ. No, he goes to seek permission, saying मैंने जो करना था कर लिया, मैं वापस आ
हाँ,
सकता हूँ क्या?
राइट.
That is how the story goes,
हम्म.
right? Okay. So now, right? And Jesus opened up to the disciples the meaning of the hidden way, the holy breath, and that of the light that cannot fail. He told them all about the book of life, the roles of Graphiel, the book of God's remembrance, where all thoughts and words of men are written down. This is the Aquarian gospel. That is what she was referring to.
Yeah.
Okay. The Akashic records are the light body of the universal self-awareness. As such, they contain the universal consciousness with its three main components of mind, heart and will. ठीक है. और कल मैडम बता रही थी कि hypnosis में again we work. See, we work on mind, body and spirit.
Yes.
Okay. We work on the mind through the body and mind. That is what you do in hypnosis. Right? So the records also contain the radiant variations of light that all
Vibrations.
vibrations of all things that generate. Every time we access the records, our awareness is affected by this quality of light and we become enlightened by it.
Yes.
When this happens, the effects of the light become evident in our thoughts and emotions and in those of our clients, and we begin to experience an increased sense of peace and well-being. Well, in the exercise, that was the experience most of the people.
Okay.
ठीक है.
I think when you go through Akasha ना, तो जब आप आकाशिक, I don't know whether did you went through any of those sessions जहाँ पे where you feel connected and then you got some answers?
I went through one reading. Na?
Okay. So in that case, when you try and get, for example, अभी कल का जो exercise हुआ, that was manifestation through Akashic records, you know.
हाँ, वो हमारा 3rd या 4th सेशन में है.
हाँ, तो वो भी आज उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग आ जाएगी, should be uploaded by today evening. You can go through it because I also want to go through it again. तो उसके अंदर क्या है कि they take you through it and then you have a preceding question that okay, for example, will my property disputes will be solved, when it will be solved, will it be my for higher good, or else what is your plan for me, you know, and give me some timelines or what I should be doing, you know.
But here,
and no, let me
but
complete.
Linda Hope very clearly says, never ask timelines.
No, it's okay.
Akashic record will not give you a response on timelines.
मैं आपको वैसे बताता हूँ कि I had one specific question yesterday when I went into that, and the answer to that came was January 2026.
Check that, because I've heard her so many times. She says they will not give you a time because it is not in their this one, and the time doesn't exist for them.
Okay.
They don't live in an environment where
time
has a
nahi.
meaning.
Right. Maybe you can ask that whether this will manifest in this lifetime or not, right?
No,
or
वो भी
else
नहीं
what is
बताएंगे. It seems anything to do with time, they will not, because then they are encroaching into your free will.
okay?
So she says those what questions to ask करके एक अलग chapter है इसमें.
इसी में okay.
हाँ, इसी में.
Okay.
Okay. तो अगर वो कोशिश करोगे तो नहीं होगा करके she tells you right up front.
But tell me, अभी आपने you wanted to figure out that answer for yourself, right?
हाँ.
That
So when
whether
I
whether
asked
my
that
proper
question,
so what did
when
you
I
get?
asked that question, what did they tell?
Hmm.
They said, you can try to do affirmations, but we cannot give you timelines.
Okay.
Okay. तो इसीलिए मैं कह रहा था तेरे को.
Okay.
ठीक
Fine.
है. यहाँ पे अगर देखें
Hmm.
तो इसका एक टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स डाल के मैं ये देख. She gives you guidelines.
Guidelines. Okay.
Okay. वो तो एक बार
अच्छा.
पढ़ लेना. Because
Okay.
that is actually a lot of information for people like us
Correct.
who are going
Mostly.
through that pathway.
Yes. Because
fact-
every teacher has a different way of telling. Because अभी वो गीतांजलि का भी थोड़ा अलग है और इसका थोड़ा अलग है, right?
हाँ,
Everybody
अलग
has
है.
their own.
मैं टीचर की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ,
लिंडा हो
yes.
की बात कर रहा हूँ.
Right. Yes.
Some guidelines that will facilitate your work with the records. These are meant to help you prepare the most enlightening experiences possible. Right? तो यहाँ पर how should I prepare एक है. ठीक है.
Okay,
Do
reading के
not
लिए है.
consume वो alcohol वगैरह.
That
भी
is
है.
fine. वो तो
Right?
rules हैं, ठीक है.
You need to use your current legal name.
अच्छा, it says current legal name. मतलब अगर
Yes.
आपने नाम बदला है तो फिर जो आपका लेटेस्ट नाम है वही डालेंगे, करेक्ट?
हाँ हाँ.
तो
और
फॉर
यहाँ पे
एग्जांपल.
रीजनिंग भी देती है.
ओके. ओके.
Okay.
अच्छा, दिस चैप्टर विल कम अभी एक्चुअली, राइट? सो वी
हाँ,
हैव
अपने को
स्टिल.
आएगा.
या आएगा, ठीक है. इट्स गुड एक्चुअली. ओके. या.
And then she says, don't try to compare in the initial
या.
stage. नहीं तो तेरा लग जाएगा.
राइट. हाँ, मतलब कंपेयर मत करो, मतलब डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट देन.
कंबाइन मत करो.
इट्स कंबाइन एंड कंपेयर. यस, एग्जैक्टली.
ठीक है, चल फिर भी.
या.
ठीक है. The Akashic records are governed and protected by a group of non-physical light beings called Lords of the Akashic Record. These beings ensure the safety and integrity of the records. They determine not only who can access the records, but what information they can receive. Okay. The Lords of the Records work with masters, teachers, and loved ones who serve as the interface between the Akashic and earthly realms by downloading to the masters, teachers, and loved ones the information that they will relay during each Akashic record. वो क्या बताएंगे उसका भी restriction है. She brings that dimension also. Though the Lord of the Records and the Akashic Masters are non-physical beings, some of the teachers and all of the loved ones have existed as humans on the earth in their past lives. When you work in the Akashic Records, you will never see the Lords of the Records, nor will you see the teachers and loved ones as they existed in human form. But you may sense their energetic presence if a teacher or loved one deems it appropriate and necessary to come forward and relay certain information. Only then they will show. Okay?
Yeah.
Usually, however, the masters, teachers, and loved ones, the masters, teachers, prefer to remain anonymous so that we will learn to rely on the energy of the records rather than on specific identities in the room. I wanted to cover this portion.
Hmm.
मेरे को लगता है this book is a copy of that book.
Which one?
हम लोग जो पढ़ रहे हैं
Hmm.
लिंडा हो के किताब का कॉपी है लगता है in their
अच्छा.
own language. मेरे को लग रहा है.
Linda Ho, when did she passed? I think she is not there, right, anymore.
No, I don't think she's there.
हाँ, तो I think because this book probably came after this, right? The one which we are reading.
Correct.
Maybe. Yes.
मेरे को लग रहा है.
क्योंकि उसने कुछ ना कुछ मर्ज किया होगा 2-3 बुक्स पढ़ के ऐसा.
हाँ.
According to his own understandings.
Okay. So this is the library. Now what is he talking about? The lords of karma. Within the history of earth, only a precious few souls have been consistently trained through many lives to accurately read the records. Authority to read is given by source and ratified by the lords of karma. Training to read is accrued from life to life. The reader learns additional skills, usually taught by an existing physical plane reader, spiritual guides, who themselves have authority from the Lord of Karma to read, as well as to impart the procedure of reading and instruct the reader. Matlab, role of Lord of Karma is very clear.
Yeah.
Those who have incarnated upon earth, who have once again been given authority to read the records completely and fully, also have authority to access the Akashic library over other planets in this and other solar systems. Right?
So it says that authority to read is given by God and probably the Lord of Karma, right?
Lord of Karma.
And then
That is
there are
source कहता है. We are using the word
source.
God, but there it is the source
the
energy.
source, yes, source energy, right? And probably, and then there are spirit guides who themselves have authority to read as well as to impart the procedure.
They are the maintenance team.
So actually, जो आप फिर आप आर्कएंगल मेटाट्रॉन के पास जब जाते हो, right? Then he is the one who is probably reading out those records for you, right? He is a spirit guide, correct?
No. He is not a guide. वो मेटाट्रॉन का किताब पढ़ेगा ना तो तेरे को समझ में आएगा.
Okay.
He is the Lord of all the records.
Okay.
Okay. He may come in as an escalation point. Right? So he will have a team of this one.
Okay.
Spiritual guides.
Right.
Life on another planet and the records. ये next time करें?
Yeah.
यहाँ पे ये दोनों पढ़ लेते. The Devachan is the true name for what we call heaven. The name Devachan means the realms of angels. Angel is our Deva, na?
Yeah.
And is over our planet, located at the highest level of the fourth dimension. Or 12 dimensions may say the highest level of fourth dimension. Life on earth is the highest level of the third dimension, bridging into the fourth.
The fourth dimension is your astral plane, I think, right?
Okay.
So these people, these angels, they belong to the fourth dimension, then to the astral plane. Because,
actually, they are there in multiple layers. हमारे समझने के लिए ये ऐसा पिक्चर डाल रहे हैं.
Correct.
The Devachan is located because वो Ascension वाला किताब में Archangel Michael very clearly says that we are having our particles existing in 383 planets and stars in the universe.
Okay.
उतना वाइड है हम लोग.
हम्म.
तो हायर लेवल में जब जाओगे तो वो सब कुछ है,
हम्म.
राइट. उनमें से कुछ इकट्ठा करके हम जमीन पर आते हैं सीखने के लिए.
Okay.
The Devachan is always located. The next dimension above where life exists on a planet. लाइफ से एक स्टेप आगे. That
एक
means
step
वो लोग
ऊपर
भी
रहते हैं.
ऊपर चलते रहते हैं. They also have,
Yes. Yeah.
right? Then the lords of karma are 12 in number, selected by the source to serve all humanity on all planets of consciousness. That means 12 planes of consciousness आ गया. This gels with the other 12 planes of dimensions also.
Yeah.
Okay. These beings are crescent level souls. I mean, Christed level souls. That means they are Purnatmas and serve for a specific period. Their primary responsibility is to assist us to evaluate each lifetime what has been learned and the karma to be worked on in a future embodiment. They have complete access to all the libraries of Akasha, and their knowledge and wisdom to assist us is only eclipsed by their total, complete and unconditional love for all
humanity. Okay.
Right? तो ये जो है कल का करते हैं यहाँ से.
Right. Fine.
नहीं तो वो डाइजेस्ट नहीं होगा, ज्यादा हो जाएगा.
नहीं ज्यादा हो जाएगा. ठीक है. ओके.
ठीक है. चल.
ओके सर. थैंक यू.
चल.